You guys know what can make your bagel even more special? Well, turn it into a pizza bagel so you can have pizza at any time. So let's get started and I'll show you how to get those beautiful cheese balls. So first things first, we're going to be starting off by making our quick sauce. Here I'm using some tomato passata, which basically stands for pureed tomatoes. Then add in some olive oil and then a bit of oregano. Mince in 1 clove of garlic, a bit of chili flakes just for the spice, and season it with some salt. You'll notice that we're not cooking the sauce in advance because it's gonna cook right on the bagel as it cooks, and because of the way passata is processed, it is technically cooked. And there you go, that's your beautiful sauce. So now let's go over and prepare our bagel pizzas. So you're gonna need a baking sheet lined with foil and a wire rack. That wire rack will really help to create that gap between the baking sheet and your bagel, so your bagels can get nice and crispy without getting soggy. And the foil is just for easy cleanup. So get this fresh bagel and slice that in half. You can use whatever you like except any sweet kinds. I'm using a herb and cheese variety today. So now on each of those halves, add in your sauce. The sauce should be enough to properly and thoroughly cover the bagels. If you want lesser sauce, then do as you please. Now as soon as your sauce is done, let's line up each of those bagels with a slice of provolone. And that provolone is the secret to get those beautiful pulls. And that's why we put it below the mozzarella so it stays protected. And now top the provolone with the mozzarella cheese. Make sure you mound it at the center and then spread it out across the bagel. And I'm also going to be doing a pepperoni bagel today. You can use turkey pepperoni, chicken pepperoni, or any other kind that you like. And of course, since it's a pizza, you can put whatever your heart desires. This is just a simple concept of how to make great pizza bagels. So when you're happy with the toppings, transfer it onto the wire rack and turn on the broiler. Once the broiler has preheated for about a minute or two, add that pan right in to the broiler. This is where you have to be very careful. This is gonna cook within minutes. It's gonna take minimum 1 minute if you have a really nice broiler. Or if you have an average one, it should take maximum 3 to 4 minutes. Just monitor it every few seconds until it starts sizzling just like that. The cheese begins to melt. And you want to cook it to your preference. If you don't like any browning on the cheese, you can take it out earlier. But I quite like the little brown spots, kind of like Pizza Hut, which is one of my favorites. And that is the perfect stage for me. The pepperoni is crispy, the cheese has those beautiful brown spots, and let me show you the best part of this bagel. If you recall from earlier, just a few seconds ago, we put in that provolone at the bottom so well that mozzarella can get nice and golden brown and delicious. That provolone in the middle, well, see for yourself. As soon as I get it to break, there we go. And that's the secret. If you ever want cheese pulls just like that, provolone is the key. Don't get grated provolone, get the good stuff, get the whole slice. I just gave up there. It did not break, but that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more recipes just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when the next video comes out. Give me a like if you enjoyed that cheese bowl, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Bye guys.